Clearly I've been putting this off for too long, so it's time to get back into it and see what we got going on in here. So I gotta still keep taking stuff apart, working my way through it. Back at it again with the white truck. Back to Whitey. She still needs some work, still taking stuff apart, little by little, piece by piece, obviously. I'm going to work on taking off the rest of the wires up here, and the valve covers are the next step, as well as the stuff off the front of the timing chain covers. So here we go. Sometimes I wish I could label all these things, but not always the case. So just going to have to figure it out when the time comes. How to put it all back together, right? Yeah. The problem isn't really that I don't know what I'm doing, it's just that I don't know 100% of what I'm doing. So anybody can take something apart, put it back together, as long as you have instructions. But I don't yet have instructions. All I have is YouTube and other people that say, hey, do this, hey, do that. I've gotten by pretty well with, hey, do this, do that. But this is going to be a bit of an undertaking. Because, like I said, I don't not know what I'm doing. I just don't have 100% knowledge of it. And the only way to get that is to do it, right? Good news is, got the valve cover off. None of the lobes look damaged. Everybody's nice and smooth. I haven't spun it to see, to make sure everybody's good, but so far so good. This one's a little rough. That one's a little rough. I don't know what. I gotta look a little closer at that one. But none of the rockers seem to be loose at all, and it looks pretty clean in there. So bad news is I still have no idea what I'm doing. I love it. The good news is I got the valve cover off, at least the first one, and everything looks pretty good. I don't really see any scarring on the lobes or anything of the cams. The belt doesn't really seem that loose. I mean, it's going to be loose on top of there, but tensioners seem to be okay so far. I mean, if I took the whole thing apart for no reason, yeah, that's one thing. But no metal shavings. All of the rocker arms the lifter arms seem to be intact. Don't see any scarring on any of the lobes. I do have a little bit of a catch on one of these here. This guy catches a little bit. See if you can see. I don't really see anything. But otherwise, she looks good. Bad news is, well, I still have no idea what I'm doing. Don't forget your ground wires, kids. I gotta say, this side's a little different than the other. And it is terrible in there. Well, you can't really see deep without having any light directly in there, and I can't get right directly in there if I don't have the camera on it. Anyway, back over here. This leads me to believe that somebody's been in here before, because there is scarring on here, and I don't think that would happen in the machine factory. Every one of these has a little bit of play. Might just because of where it's positioned when it shut down. That one doesn't have any play. But every one of them has got a little bit of clicking. Not that one. But I don't see anything really substantial. Let's one looks a little bit more scarred. I mean, they definitely shouldn't be like that, but you tell me. I haven't worked on these ever, so looking for experts in the audience. They'll let me know what to think. Should I just go ahead and change the cams altogether? Then it's going to lead to a whole lot more work, but you know, it's already open, right? The other side's open. It's kind of hard holding the light as well. It's nice and dark in here. Yeah. All these lifters seem to be a little bit loose. Little clicky. But it all just depends on where the lobe is on the cam, right? The only one that's not is where the cam is fully seated. And I don't see much scarring on any of the lobes. At least not any that I should be terribly concerned about. But you tell me. 'Cause I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just taking shit apart, hoping I can put it back together. Well, I think that's as far as I'm going to go tonight. Other points of interest. Dirty. But as for right now, I'm going to cover this back up, put it away, and take a shower and get ready for tomorrow, because I got to go back to work. Yeah. Let me know what you think. Where should I go next?